We have been lied to about what a budget computer is. For years, the tech industry has taught us that if you want the best, you have to pay the pro price. They've convinced us that the entry level is just for kids, for basic Netflix streaming, or for light schoolwork. But right now, something is happening inside Apple's supply chain that is about to shatter that illusion forever. We are standing on the edge of the release of the iPad 12th generation. And for the first time in history, the gap between the Pro and the Basic is about to disappear. In 2026, Apple isn't just releasing a new tablet, they are releasing a Trojan horse. A device priced for the masses but powered by the most sophisticated silicon ever designed for a mobile device. If you are planning on buying an iPad Pro, an iPad Air, or even a high-end laptop this year, you need to stop. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. You need to look at the leaked schematics and the internal benchmarks for the iPad 12. Because what's coming is a $349 supercomputer that makes every other tablet on the market look like a relic of the past. We are talking about the death of the budget tablet and the birth of the AI-driven powerhouse. To understand why the iPad 12 is so dangerous to the rest of the industry, we have to look at the pivot Apple made in late 2025. For years, the base model iPad was the hand-me-down device. It got the old chips, the old designs, and the old cameras. But the world changed with the rise of Apple Intelligence. Suddenly, a device isn't just about how fast it can open an app, it's about whether it has the neural engine and the RAM to run a local large language model. The iPad 11 was a great tablet, but it lacked the one thing that defines the modern era. It couldn't run Apple's full AI suite. This created a problem for Apple. Their most popular tablet, the one sold to millions of students and families, was essentially blind to their new AI future. The iPad 12 is the correction. It is the device that brings the power of the iPhone 17 and the M-series iPads to everyone. The rumors started as whispers from the N3P production lines, the 3-nanometer process that is currently the cutting edge of semiconductor physics. While many expected the iPad 12 to play it safe with an older A16 or A17 chip, the latest leaks confirm that Apple is skipping a generation. The iPad 12 is rumored to be packing the A18, and in some reports, even a binned version of the A19 chip. This is unprecedented. We are talking about a processor designed for flagship iPhones being dropped into a device that costs less than a pair of AirPods Max. Why would Apple do this? It's not out of the kindness of their heart. It's because of the 8 GB RAM requirement. Apple Intelligence, the system-wide AI that handles everything from writing your emails to generating custom images, requires a minimum of 8 GB of high-bandwidth memory to function efficiently. By putting the A18 or A19 in the iPad 12, Apple is ensuring that every single person who buys their cheapest tablet is locked into their AI ecosystem for the next 5 to 7 years. But power is nothing if you can't see it. Let's talk about the display. For a decade, the entry-level iPad has been criticized for its non-laminated screen. That tiny air gap between the glass and the LCD that makes the screen feel a little hollow. For years, Apple kept this as a way to differentiate the cheap iPad from the Pro. But in 2026, the supply chain for laminated displays has become so efficient that the cost difference is negligible. The iPad 12